Hello everyone. We all know walking is one of the best exercise which helps to maintain good health. Among the walking exercises, the best exercise is infinity walk, also known as H-shaped walking exercise. It is the supreme of all. This is one of the best methods which gives miraculous benefits. In this video, we will see the method of H-shaped walking, how it should be done properly, and what are its benefits. So let's have a look at the benefits of this infinity walk, also known as H-shaped walking exercise. It helps to improve your concentration as you focus on the number 8 shape. It improves your eyesight. Due to concentration in the H-shaped line, short-sightedness and other eye-related problems are improved. Walking barefoot activates your acupressure points. It helps to connect your body to the surface of the earth. Connecting to earth helps us top up on energy and rebalance our body systems. During a walk in the H shape, our entire body, hip, abdomen, etc., is twisted and all our organs are activated. At the end of 30 minutes walk, stuffy nose is cleared and feel free breathing from both the nostrils. Regular practice for 1 year is known to provide relief from headache, digestive problems, thyroid, obesity, constipation. It also improves the body's balance, so people with knee problem, arthritis can benefit from this. Practicing this regularly brings back youth to us. It refreshes your mind and prepares you for day-long work. It even regulates your blood flow and helps with diabetes control. Thus, many health problems such as shoulder, neck, back, lumbar, knee heels, cervical and lumbar spondylitis, sciatica, disc prolapse, paralysis, depression, epilepsy, migraine, diabetes, blood pressure, thyroid, kidney and gallbladder stones, asthma, sinusitis, piles, colitis, nervous debility, sleeplessness, heart diseases, kidney problems are benefited through this H-shaped walking. Now let's see how exactly we should practice the infinity walk. Infinity walk in simple terms is walking in the shape of 8, just like you drive your two-wheeler to get a license. Yes, it's as simple as that. You can do this in your terrace, parking space, on the road, in a park, just outside your house, or even in your hall if it is big enough. People who cannot take out time to go long distance walk or elderly people can do this very easily. Even you can encourage your child to do this as a fun activity. Ideally, you should do it on barefoot for better results. It is ideal for those who are staying in congested areas or cities where we cannot find nearby gardens or long walking tracks. What you have to do is use a chalk or a tape to draw 8 shape by joining two circles of approximately 6 feet diameter each in a south-north direction as shown in the picture. In a worst case, you can at least imagine the 8 shape and walk. If you are doing this in your hall, place 2 chairs 3 feet apart and walk between the chairs. in the shape of 8. Walk for 15 minutes in a clockwise direction and for 15 minutes in anti-clockwise direction. The best time to practice the 8-shaped walking exercise is early morning between 5 to 6 am and in the evening between 5 to 6 pm. It should be done on an empty stomach. Make sure you don't walk fast. You have to do just normal walking. For children, we can make it fun by showing flashcards of letters, numbers, or words. Practice the 8-shaped walking first, and then you may do some simple exercises and breathing exercise. So, what are you waiting for? Start practicing today and stay healthy. Note: pregnant ladies should not do this exercise, and those with any medical complications should consult doctor before practicing. Thank you for watching the video. Wishing you a healthy life forever.